Flashback. If you guys check out our channel and scroll to older videos, we had already made a game controller to play the Google Chrome Dragon game. In that version 1, there was only jump option, but in this second version, along with the jump, we'll be also adding duck option. And even in the electronics, instead of LDR sensor, I am using ultrasonic sensor, which works better. Also make sure you check out other episodes as well on this retro gaming series. The link will be provided in the description box.